Now, the global credit rating agency S&P Global has upgraded its outlook on Israel's sovereign credit from negative to stable, citing a newly brokered ceasefire in the Gaza Strip that has eased near-term security risks. The ceasefire came into effect in October 2025 under U.S. brokered arrangements between Israel and Hamas. As part of the deal, military operations have been suspended, Israeli forces have pulled back from major Gaza urban areas, and humanitarian aid has resumed. With the direct conflict risk reduced, S&P says the scale of direct military confrontation will remain contained even if tensions persist. S&P Global upgraded Israel's outlook to stable from negative. Importantly, S&P reaffirmed Israel's long-term foreign currency sovereign credit rating at A/A1. The shift from negative to stable doesn't raise the rating itself. Still, it signals that S&P now believes the risk of major escalation has fallen, and hence the downside risks to Israel's economy and finances are lower. For 2025, Israel's finance ministry has cut the GDP growth forecast to 2.8%, with a rebound to 5.2% expected in 2026. The projected government deficit for 2025 is slightly under 6% of GDP, with 2026 expected around 4.8% of GDP. The tech services sector remains strong. For example, an earlier study estimates high-tech exports make up nearly 20% of GDP and about 60% of total exports. Meanwhile, the cost of war-related activities for Israel up to the end of 2025 is estimated at over $69 billion. S&P still flags risks. Israel heads into elections. A delayed 2026 budget vote still hangs, and the region is one spark away from widening friction. Defense spending stays high. Growth only fully normalizes if the ceasefire holds and stays durable. And now, with a stable outlook, Israel may tap global bond markets cheaper. A benchmark-sized international bond sale is already planned for early 2026. Economists say the economy is still roughly 7% below its pre-war trend, but could claw that back through 2026-27 if the gun stays silent. Investors like this move, but sentiment will flip instantly if the ceasefire unravels.